Good afternoon, and what a wonderful summer day. Just joking. It is hot AF today, 91 degrees. Today, we're going to be taking a thorough look over at my Honda Pilot. Going to be heading out on a long road trip. So this video is going to be about some of the checklists that you should perform on your car before you head out. Make sure that, to prevent any issues that might arise along that road trip. So first of all, we're going to be checking the oil, checking the battery, checking the coolant, checking the tires, checking the lug nuts, and checking the brakes. So let's start off by checking that battery. All right, I got this battery tester hooked up. Honda sure made it difficult by putting this intake on it. So I just had to unscrew it, then twist it to the side so I could get access to the terminals. So you want to make sure your car's battery is strong enough to last the road trip. So let's see. All right, looks like it's so far so good. Don't mind the smoke. This unit is new. It is normal for it to smoke off a little bit because of all the oils and whatever chemical coatings that's in there, but it's on the green, so it's good. This battery is OEM with the car. It is close to 4 years old now, so it is near the end of its lifetime. So it's really important to check your battery before you head out. So far so good. Let's put this back on and let's check the oil. All right, now let's check out that oil. Let's see here. Our oil level is near the top. Oil is brown. That's hot. I was just driving this thing earlier, but yeah, get some gloves to put that back in. But anyways, it's near the top, which is good. This car is due for oil change soon. It has 3,400 miles on it, so it still has some life left. I'm not gonna bother. I'm gonna push it to 5,000 miles for my next oil change. But yeah, oil looks good. Make sure it's always topped off. And let's check out the tires next. All right, the tires look new. Well, they are new. I placed it 6 months ago. But another important thing to do, as many of you may not know, is always retorque your lug nuts. Apparently, every time you change your tires, do any brake job, anytime the wheel is off, you are supposed to get them retorqued and rechecked 1 week after doing the job. I am not sure how many people actually read the receipts. It specifically says to bring it back to get your lug nuts retorqued. So I am going to be retorquing this wheel, and we'll see how many of them are actually loose. So I got my torque wrench here, set it to OEM spec 104 foot-pounds. So let's see how many of them are actually loose. All right, remember, always start off in the star pattern. All right. That one is good. Let's see here. That one is good. That one is good. That one is good. That one is good. Whew. I've actually had an issue where one of the lug nuts, two of the lug nuts actually on my other car was actually loose, finger tight. And after that point, I made it a good habit to always recheck after every tire change. That's good. That's good. That is good. All right, now that you've checked all your lug nuts, is to make sure your tires are in tip-top shape. These tires are 6 months old, so they are still new, but it's always good to check the tread depth and also the date code, which is down here. Let me flip that over. You can see it says 48th week of 22, so it is still fairly new. I got my camera, got my flashlight here. Let's check out that coolant level. It's close to the max mark. The car was running before, so it's been cooled down for around 30 minutes or so, so it's going to be a little bit low, but so far the coolant looks good, and looks like we are ready for the road trip. All right, we are done with the checks. We are ready for the road trip. I mean, you guys should be doing this every 6 or so months for your own safety and your family safety. Check all your lug nuts, check the condition of your tires, top off all your fluids, check the condition of all your fluids, make sure they're clean. You shouldn't be doing this only for road trips, but for daily driving. Your family's life is at stake, so always do so. We are gonna head out tomorrow, and we're gonna have a worry-free trip. Thank you guys for watching.